Hello guys, good evening. Today I will be give you the demo on how to manage the different Python versions in your system easily and without any exporting any environment variables. So this will save your time and will effectively use the different Python version based upon your requirement. And the way I will tell you, it will easily help you manage different Python versions in your system, be it any version, and you don't have to rename any variable from the name of Python 3 to Python for any of your activities. So let's start with this activity. And before that, let me show you how many Python versions I have in my system. We will switch back and forth with our Python system, and it will be only a two set of commands that we will be using, and no other thing will be using for any export variables. Okay, so let's start on the Python version that I have now in my system. So guys, I have listed on all the versions that I have in my system of Python, starting with 3.7, 3.8, and 3.9. 2.7 you will be there. You will be having in your system by default when you install the Python. So we will be seeing that how we can context switching between this Python version based upon the two commands that we will be using, and we'll use those commands to uh, come inside the 3.8 or 3.9 or 3.7 and outside of it. Okay, so let's start with 3.7. First we'll see that the versioning of Python here, and then we will go uh, to this Python version. Okay, so this is 3.7.12 version, and if I see my Python version right now, it is 2.7.16 by default. Okay, now I want to have a mechanism like that whenever I type Python version, it will give me 3.7.12 or the version what I want. For example, starting with 3.7.12 version that I want in my system to be reflected anywhere where I am using the Python. So for that, I need to write this command. Firstly, you should have a virtual environment installed as a library in your system, be it Unix or your Mac OS. I am using Mac OS, so I will be using a library virtual environment to be installed already in my system. Okay, so virtual environment, I will type the command, and after that, I will be typing -p, that is the uh, Python path where my Python which I need to be reflected into my system. I would be using that Python path. Okay, so for example, I will be using this path, 3.7 path, and I will paste it here. And after that, I will give any custom name. Okay, that will be remembered by us for any other references. Okay, so generally we'll use dot version. Let's give it a 37. So I will be reflecting this name of Python 3.7 version as a v37 dot v37. Okay, this is my first command to create a isolated environment of version 3.7, and then I will activate this environment. Okay, so for the activation, I will be typing this command -bin and then activate. These two commands will give me the desired version of Python to be used by my system, and any library or any uh, project where you want to have a specific dependency of Python, you can use it there. So let's execute this command first. Okay, so this have created one isolated environment. To use this environment, we need to activate it. So it's written here clearly, created virtual environment Python 3.7.2. Okay, so now activate this environment. Remember, you need to use the same name that you've created here, .v37. So I've used the name .v37 here, and then after that we have a path bin activate. Okay, You will be seeing here that at the left side of your command line, there is a same name that you have used as a custom name for your Python version. So that means you are successfully entered into your desired Python version. To check it more, you need to type the Python version. Remember, you can now directly use simple Python. Don't use Python 3 or any other Python 3.7 or Python 3.8 to check the version. You will be given the version by using a simple Python command. Okay, then you can see that you have a 3.7.1.2 as a your version. So now you can do anything you want to have based upon this Python version. Let's come out of this Python version. So for that we have a command deactivate, as activate for going inside and deactivate for outside. Now you are successfully come outside of your Python 3.7.12 version. So now again going to the context switching of your other Python version. So let's suppose now I want to go to 3.8 version in your system. So what I will do, I will just paste it here instead of 3.7. I will paste it here and will give the name right now to 38. Okay, so by this command I will paste it here. Again it is created the virtual environment for 3.8.2, and after that you need to just make it as source dot v38 bin and activate. Again you can see we have a left side as a v38, which is our custom name for the reference variable of our Python version. Now check the Python version as again 3.8.2. In the same way you can deactivate it and come out of it, and likewise we can go the other version or vice versa to any lower version, higher version based upon your requirement. Okay, so we'll go to the 3.9 version. It is created 3.9.7. Now source v39 bin activate, and again if you see we have 3.9.7. okay, so now you can use your Python dependencies without any environment variables problem or confusion. Just make use of these commands and your life will be easy. So this tutorial is for Unix and Mac OS, and for Windows I will create one more video, but more likely it will sort out your issue because Python basically make use of the Unix and Mac OS system. So if you found any problem in this video, please comment on it. Thank you.